Hey, this is Cliff Hamilton with Hamilton Transportation, and I've got a question for you. Why is every Kobelco I haul such a piece of crap? Alright guys, I am here in Pelzer, South Carolina. I am picking up a Kobelco excavator. So this one's got some problems. Let's walk over and check it out. Alright, so this is what we got. Kobelco excavator. But apparently the turntable is broken. So I'm going to take my 1/2-inch chains and hook it up to the bucket. And that way I should be able to keep it steady while I drive it onto the trailer. So that's the plan. Alright, so we got that little chain off. I'm going to try to pick the boom up to where I want it. And hopefully I can get it straight, and then I can get these chains to hold it there while I get it on the trailer. Alright, so I got a couple of chains on here. They are on each side of the bucket. I think we've got this thing pretty straight. So, and then this chain should hold it as I run it up onto the trailer. So that's the plan. Let's see how it works. But it is staying that far. So I guess the table is free. So I think we got it on here about where we want it. Let's take a look, make sure she's straight on here. Yep, I think that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna take the chain on that side and just kick the boom over a little bit. And actually I might just hook. Yeah, I think I'll leave it hooked up the way it is and just get a new bite on it and just pull that over a little bit and then set it down. Actually, I think that looks good right there. So then I'm just going to set it down. All right, guys, we got this thing chained down. I got some dirt to clean out of it. All right, guys, we got this loaded up, chained down. I still want to look at that door, see if I can get it to shut a little better and stay shut. But I've got this all loaded up, banners are up, so I believe we are ready to hit the road. Alright, we have made it here to Raphine, Virginia for the night. Staying at the Comfort Inn. We have 245 miles to go in the morning to get up to Accident, Maryland, where this Kobelco is going. And then I'm only about, I don't know, a little less than 3 hours home. So I'll be able to get home Thursday, and then Friday is the 4th of July, so just be taking a long weekend. But for now, I'm gonna get in here and get checked in, and then tomorrow morning we'll hit it again. Good morning from Raphine, Virginia. I just got up, got my pre-trip done. As you can see, a little foggy here this morning. It's actually burning off pretty quick, so I think we'll be good. But we have the last 245 miles, I think it is, up to Accident, Maryland to deliver this excavator. Yeah, I was gonna put you guys inside the cab, but with that fog burning off the way it is, I think we'll stick you on the excavator. Maybe we can catch a sunrise as we head up 81 here. Alright guys, just arrived here. We're actually delivering over there, but they said to pull off at the scenic overlook. I do want to give you guys a view of this because it is pretty. A beautiful view. I think I will try to get a picture of the truck, maybe empty after we unload this. You know, in front of the guardrail there. That'd be a pretty nice picture. But for now, let's get this thing unloaded and over to delivery. So I think I will leave this chain on it until we get everything else off and we get a couple chains on the bucket like I had yesterday. So I don't know if these people are on lunch or what's going on. They told me to drop it at this pull out here, this rest area. So that's what I'm doing. I don't know. So let's see if it'll start. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some binders on those chains, but I'm not gonna jack it up. I might uncurl the bucket so that it'll bump up against the tracks before it swings too far. That's probably good. that one up. Alright, looks like they got it over there. They said they'll bring my chains back to me. So, and then we just got to get cleaned up and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, that load is done. Got the trailer empty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed. I hope everybody had a happy 4th of July. I'm going to grab some pictures of the truck sitting in front of this gorgeous view before I roll out. So I will see you guys in the next video.